Starlight container diesel generator sets can be made into standard and soundproof container power station, in accordance with international standards for container design and manufacturing. 20 feet for 1000 kVA or less, 40 feet for 1250 kVA or above. The whole unit can be directly as standard container for shipping, greatly saving transportation costs. All hinges, locks, bolts are made of stainless steel. Container installed anti-wave and anti-intrusion device. The mute housing is made by adopting the high-performance, anti-aging flame retardant type sound insulation materials and sound absorbing materials.